How to delete copied messages on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can delete copied messages on WhatsApp. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to delete your copied messages on WhatsApp, let's say when you opened up your WhatsApp and log in into your account and you reach to one of the chats here, let's say this one right here, and you have sent a chat here with a particular person, this one right here. Let's say I copied this chat, so I'm just gonna long press on it, and when you long press on it and tap on the three dot, you can find this copy option, and let's say you copied this message. So let's say you want to remove that particular message that you just copied. So in order to do that, you just need to go one of the chat, and on the keyboard, you can type in here and you can see this is my copied chat. So when you long press and paste it here, try to paste it here, you can see this clipboard option. This option may vary from phone to phone. Otherwise, you can easily find that clipboard option on your official clipboard of your device, and here you can see clipboard option. So I'm just going to tap on this clipboard option, and here you should be able to see all of the clipboard messages, this one right here. So I'm just going to long press on it, and when I long press on it, you can see this delete option. I'm just going to tap on delete and confirm the delete, and that copied message should be removed from my keyboard. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to delete copied message on WhatsApp. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.